Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about Best Telling You reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple products including music and sport items, phone and computer and accessories, daily use items, and security cameras, etc. So these are the offerings, and apart from that, hot sale is going on where you can save your penny. So these are the product images along with the prices. You can take a look, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's talk about payment information. Here you can see the modes of payment available on the website are PayPal, Visa, MasterCard and Mastrio. Now let's check out the shipping policy. For that you need to visit the shipping information section, and here they have mentioned the delivery section, but guys, they have not mentioned realistic or standard shipping duration, which is a negative sign. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Now talking about its domain information, guys, the domain name was created on 14th of August 2020. This means that it is not too young website or not too old website. So we need to explore this website before making any online purchase or before reviewing the website. Now let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So this is the About Us page, guys, and you can see no details are available regarding the business establishment year, brand connection info, business owner name, photos, etc. Apart from that, no information is available regarding the offerings of the site in the About Us page, which is a negative sign and shows that the website may be suspicious. Let's check out the Contact Us page of the site. So guys, this is the Contact Us page, and here you can see they have not provided any contact details including business or company's official address, contact number, but yes, they have mentioned an email address which is support@24dzservice.com, which does not matches with the domain name, which is again a negative sign, guys, and shows that the website may be suspicious. Now let's check out the social media existence. So you can see no social media icon is available on the website, and it means that the site has no social media presence at all. Apart from that, guys, the site has an unknown trustworthiness score, and it seems to be not much popular online. The website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. Now guys, let's check out the return policy. So guys, this is the return policy section. Here you can read the information related to how do I return an item, and if you are not happy with your purchase and wish to return an item, then you can contact the company within 45 days from receiving your order. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And guys, talking about Best Telling You reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet, which is again a red high alert and shows that the website may be suspicious. Guys, the website is not professionally managed, which is a sign of fakeness. And yes, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam. Absence of contact details or absence or presence of fake email ID, zero social media presence, zero security measures, unavailability of company's information, poor design of website led to believe us that it is a suspicious site and possibly a scam. So guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So please keep commenting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.